Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks Desktop to bank feeds for deductions. Full guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks Desktop. Go to the banking menu. Select bank feeds. Click on Manage Bank Feed Connections. Choose the bank account you want to connect. Click on the Connect button. Log into your online banking account when prompted. Authenticate your credentials as needed. Select the bank account you wish to connect. Click on Continue. Review the bank feed setup details. Make sure the correct date range is selected. Choose your transaction types for download. Click on Download Transactions. Once the transactions are downloaded, go to the Bank Feed Center. Review the list of downloaded transactions. Categorize transactions to reflect your deductions accurately. Match transactions with existing entries if necessary. If no matches are found, click on Add to create new entries. Ensure all deductions are categorized appropriately. Once all transactions are reviewed, click on Done to finalize. Reconcile your bank account regularly to ensure accuracy. Repeat this process for any additional accounts. You have successfully connected QuickBooks Desktop to your bank feeds for deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.